Hey guys, it's Emily from Autofy. What I'm going to show you today is how to connect to QuickBooks Online and Salesforce. Really simple process. Two things to make this even easier on you is one, to make sure that you are already logged into QuickBooks Online and Salesforce. Just makes the setup process a little bit easier. And two, you want to make sure that you don't have your pop-up blocker turned on. Otherwise, you may run into an issue getting connected. So to get started, we've made it pretty simple for you. Logged into my Autofy account, and what you're going to see is a page that says choose a workflow. We made it a little easier for you guys to be able to select from workflow templates that we've already created to sort of take the guesswork out of setting up a workflow. But of course, before you get to that, you've got to get connected to your endpoints. So we're going to do QuickBooks Online and Salesforce. We already have one section right here ready to go to get that started. So we're just going to click on Go. And on this screen, all we have to do is click on Add. When we click on Add, we have the option to select from an existing Salesforce account that we may have already connected, or we're going to connect to a new one, which is what we're doing today. So you're just going to select Salesforce. You're going to get a little pop-up window. That's just letting you know that Salesforce is going to be an available connection to you for your workflows. Just want to click on Add. At this point, if you want, you can hook up to your sandbox. We're not going to do that at this point, but we are going to go ahead and click Connect. And what this is going to do is it's going to log us into Salesforce. And if we're not already yet logged in, what you're going to see is that little pop-up that flashed for just a second. I'm already logged in. And it would then require you to log into the Salesforce account that you want Autofy to connect with. We've successfully connected, and we just hit Close. Once we do that, it does show us here in the user interface that we are connected to Salesforce. Next thing that we do need to do is connect to QuickBooks Online. So we're going to follow the same exact process. Click on Add, QuickBooks Online, and same thing as before. It's letting you know that QBO is going to be an available connection for you in your workflows. So you just want to click on Add and then Connect. Now, even though you're already logged into QuickBooks Online, it is going to ask you to confirm that you will allow Autofy access to these different areas. So the data about your company, your customers, and any updates that you might make to that data. And that's because we're going to be syncing your data back and forth. You want to click Connect. If you don't, Autofy will not be able to establish a connection to QuickBooks Online. So we click Connect. It's going to take it just a second. And then it's going to show us that we are connected to QuickBooks Online. And all we have to do is hit Close. And that's it. That's all you have to do to set up your two connections. One to Salesforce, one to QuickBooks Online. Very simple, very easy, very quick.